Hello everyone. Today we're playing a game called lag, which is when the computer decides not to load, or it takes forever to load, and then it happens. Anyway, I was told, hey, let's play a game. And by the way, if any of you actually watched far enough, you'll know what game I'm talking about. This game is called Cat Mario. And today, that's what we're gonna play that. So yeah, whatever. Add extension. Nothing could go wrong. What's this? Why won't you load? Huh, there we go. Easy converter added to home. Awesome. Install now. Nothing could go wrong. Yeah, I clicked that already. I've clicked it. Now what? Start. No. Why am I see? Yeah. Why am I seeing this? Huh? No. Get me out of here. Bam. Dear goodness, what on earth is this? Back to a cat. Bam. There we go. No. I want to play the game. Okay. Good. No, I don't want to go on this. Cat Mario Online. Bam. Gotcha. Saw this already. Oh, I just had to scroll down. Sure, allow, why not? Ahem. Work! Okay. See, if you yell at it long enough, it'll start to work. There we go. We got scary maze. Yeah, clearly. And we got Minecraft. Yeah, that exists. How much have we loaded? Okay, it's loaded. Okay. Alright, so this is Cat Mario. It's in Japanese, I think. So found the controls, or a control. So, I guess, here. I don't know what that says. Like, at all. Okay. So, let's just, let's go on ahead and, yeah. Finally, 3 lives. Oh, we get some Super Mario 3 in this. Even though this is, Super Mario 1. Okay. Yeah, this is easy. Well, okay. Yeah, we're going in the pipe. Woohoo! What? What the heck was that? Okay. You made it go down. Ha! What? Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh no, we don't have any lives left. Okay, this is our last chance. No, jump! Anything, do something! No! Die! -1. Oh, now it works. Okay. Ha! Can't trick me twice. Ha! What? Alright, you're dead. Okay. That's pretty cool, I guess. Nope. Perfect. Alright. This is pretty simple, actually. Yeah, the 1-up. Woo! Wait. They just keep going! Why? Oh, whatever. Okay. Jump over that. Ignore the 1-up. There we go. Whoop. Why? Okay. I paused it because I died a lot. Wow, is this loud. Alright. Now I'm going to jump sooner. Jump now. Ha! Perfect. Whoa! Oh boy! Okay. Sweet. Alright. I'm just going to take the top. If I can get there. I got that. Good. So, okay. Oh, checkpoint! Checkpoint! Woo! I did it! Oh, star! I'm invincible! Why does that happen? So, I accidentally did this. Crap. I gotta time it just right. Yeah! Yes! Nothing can stop me now! It's okay. Just gonna... No, not again! No! Okay. Nope! Okay. We're good. We're good. Alright. No! Please. No! Okay. Let's just... I'm getting better. No, wait. I said I was getting better! Okay, here we go. Just gotta jump over this. Piece of cake. Yeah! Woo! Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. Ah, sweet, a coin. Piece of cake. Oh my! My hand reacted faster than I could. Here's the thing. Here's what I hate about recording like this. Every time the screen turns No. Okay, just let me out. Kill me. Just kill me. I can't. I just can't, man. I can't, man. Best superhero ever. Okay. All right. Jump. Not too far, no! Oh, you tried to get me there. But you can't fool me twice. Yeah, that's right. The cloud. That little evil cloud. Careful. Just jump. Grab the coin. Get up there. Get up. Up. Okay. Jump a little high. Get on there. Jump again. Go down. Wait. Which stair? Okay, found it. All I gotta do, they'll just fall in the center. I'll be safe. Oh crap, they keep going, okay. Sweet victory. Wait, is that it? That's it! Freedom! Thank you for watching Rage Quit. This is the first time. And yeah, next time let's just play this game since it's, here. Why not? So if you like this video, go on ahead and like the video. And while you're at it, might as well subscribe. I don't see any reason why not. And if you want to see more videos, since this is my first Rage Quit, hear the theme song to Rage Quit in the last video at the very, very end. Thank you so much. Stop being loud!